Hey, it's Al with leadinglandlord.com. How you doing? I want to talk to you about effectively free and what's the difference between that and free. Now, I used to think free meant that it didn't cost me anything, but effectively free is a slight twist on it. It means that essentially it doesn't cost me anything. Now, I figured this out when I was putting together my virtual assistant handbook and I was writing things up for my virtual assistant. And I included some things that will allow her to make a profit, so to bring in money. And the goal was her to bring in enough money as she's doing all my administrative things, but her to be a profit center as well, so that she had an opportunity to cover her cost. And then it doesn't cost me anything. That's free help, right? If someone's doing work for you and they're bringing in enough money to your bank account to cover their costs, then they are effectively free. Now, what's powerful about this is that if you're working a 9-to-5 job and you're busy with your family and things, what you need to do is three things. And that is, one, is if you know how to make money, you draw flow charts, you write things down, write down the steps, okay? And then you hire a virtual assistant. It could be from the Philippines like mine. You can go to Fiverr.com to do that, or that's one place. There's lots of places to get a virtual assistant, but you hire someone to follow those steps that you wrote out for them, okay? And include some ways to make money, all right? So they'll essentially be working and doing the tasks that you laid out for them to make money, and you'll be earning passive income while you are doing your 9-to-5 or taking care of your kids or whatever. So that's it. So if you know how to make passive income, if you know how to make income and profit, that's what you do. If you don't know how to do that, then you need to check out some of my coaching and training programs. And I'm happy to talk to you about that. Check the notes below and get a link, and we can talk more about it. So that's what effectively free means. And just understanding that and getting the knowledge on how to do that really frees you up. Takes away the small things, allows you to make a profit even while you're at your 9-to-5 job or taking care of your family, taking care of your baby. All right? So hope that helps you. Let me know your biggest takeaways in the notes, or leave me a message. I love those. I love your feedback. And if you're looking for more ways to make additional income and reduce your expenses, all you need to do is subscribe.